begin with PC name tag. If you've already watched my videos for tips on virtual and on-site events in a post-COVID world, hopefully you've been able to grab a number of tips for your upcoming event. Hybrid events, ones in which planners are coordinating for attendees both on-site and in the virtual world, absolutely have their own unique set of needs. The number one challenge for planners hosting a hybrid event is how to create an inclusive and unique experience for all attendees, whether they are in person or virtual. Bridging this gap is not necessarily an easy one, and the perfect solution is different for everyone. Regardless of the path you choose, PC Name Tag is here to be your partner in creating memorable and meaningful connections. Not all technology platforms keep your attendees' name front and center, but don't let this deter you. Offering badges to all attendees helps keep that name front and center and helps keep your branding consistent. Provide your attendees with a magnet or a clip to wear at all times. This also helps your virtual attendees wear the name tag a little bit higher up, so that way it's always seen in the video shot when they're on screen. For on-site attendees, consider having their photo added to the badge, so that way if they are wearing a mask, you can still see their smiling face. Badging is a great way to help drive your social media. Encourage your attendees to post their involvement and their excitement on social media, and it also helps drive that connection between the virtual and the in-person attendees. For on-site registration, consider having your attendees pre-register. By pre-registering, you can send them an email with a QR code or a barcode to be scanned on-site. This will help minimize the number of attendees who need to use that screen to touch it and search for their information. You can send the email with the attendees so that way when they get on site, all they have to do is scan their phone or their printed sheet of paper, it prints their badge, and it limits the number of touches to help keep everyone safe. Consider having the durable goods for the event be the same for those virtual attendees and in person to help build that sense of community. PC Name Tag's fulfillment services allow you to curate the perfect attendee kit no matter what. Some ideas which work well for both segments may include a wellness kit so those on site can use it right away, or those at home can use at a later date. Another idea is to use bandanas. Bandanas help bring us together despite the distances. On site, they can use as a face mask, and at home you can use as a bandana or a cute little headband or wrap around your wrist to show your theme. Bandanas can also be chosen in different colors to bring different groups within the event together. Also, everyone loves a fun promotional pack. Consider maybe doing a power hour theme where you've got your morning cup of coffee and then a power bank to help power up your technologies. And don't forget, at the end, everyone needs an insulated mug for that always do happy hour. Identifying attendees with similar interests as you or recognizing attendees can be a little bit more challenging in a virtual setting. Consider our new antimicrobial bandana, which can be worn in many different ways so the attendee has the option to bring out their personality while finding their tribe. You can wear it as a scarf, you can do a face mask, even a headband. You can wrap it around your hair as a hair tie, wrist. The options are endless. I hope you have been inspired to think outside of the box and how you can create unique experiences for both your in-person and virtual attendees. All of us here at PC Name Tag are excited to work with you and create meaningful connections.